Being a Purdue MSc gives you the freedom to become anything. You are limited only by your own drive and your own imagination, two things that Purdue MSCs do not lack.
Purdue materials research is inherently interdisciplinary and it leads to broad impacts. During my time as a boilermaker, I have learned numerous skills that are applicable to solving all kinds of engineering problems. The research based solutions we get to develop can and will help contribute to society, making the hard work always worth it in the end. Being a Purdue materials engineer is something that you will take with you when you go out into the world.
We understand materials in a way that many don't, so we have a lot to offer. Being a Purdue MSc also allows you to combine your interest in engineering with your other passions. For me, that passion is sports, and I couldn't be more grateful that Purdue has shown me that the possibilities are endless.
So, what really sold me on MSc and Purdue MSc in particular was the community. I don't know how, but I was just really sold from the very beginning on this fun, vibrant, collaborative community, and it lived up to the hype for sure.
One of the unique things about graduate school that I've learned here at Purdue is that there's several different techniques that you can use, and learning those different techniques is very important. And as I got into my metallurgy background, I learned I had to learn other things in graduate school, and Purdue really helped facilitate that with the ability of the different research techniques that they have going on here.
Every student and faculty member at Purdue and in the MSc department that I have gotten to know and work with has shown the same drive to innovate, always wanting to push the limits of what's known and pursue excellence together.
They really, you know, work together. We would hang out together. We would go on trips together. A fun social life. But more than that, we would work together. There were so many older grad students who would pay it forward, pass on the knowledge that they had learned, whether it's TA knowledge or research knowledge or just how to use the equipment, strategies. They would pay it forward to us, and then we would pay it forward to some other grad students. And
we are competitive, yet collaborative, and want each other to succeed as much as we want to succeed ourselves. Adversity does not divide us, it brings us together. We have incredible faculty and students that are curious, relentless, and driven, and who want to be leaders in the world of materials engineering, which is something that I think makes our department unique.
Getting a degree in materials science and engineering, one of my favorite things about it is the versatility associated with that degree. Pretty much everything is made out of materials, and a materials engineer can pretty much work anywhere where they can make that material lighter, they can make it stronger, they can make it better somehow. They can even make it cheaper or faster. And that versatility is really useful in an engineering degree and allows you to work in a lot of different fields.
For creativity and innovation to occur, the necessary ingredients must exist. Materials engineering is about developing those ingredients and finding new ways to use them. All great innovations start with a materials, and being a Purdue materials engineer means getting to be at the forefront of that experience. From all of our cutting-edge research we're involved during our time here, being an innovator just comes with the territory. Purdue MSc are the kinds of people that will always find ways to jumpstart the creativity, foster innovation, and make the world a better place.
Got my PhD in materials engineering in 2018, working with Professor Trumbull, and I miss it.